What is the one word for the shape or manner in which things come together? The correct answer is juncture. What is the one word for necessary as a duty or responsibility, morally binding? The correct answer is incumbent. What is the one word for having rugged physical strength? The correct answer is stalwart. What is the one word for the elementary stage of any subject? The correct answer is rudiment. What is the one word for the act of creating something by compounding or mixing? The correct answer is concoction. What is the one word for come into being, become reality? The correct answer is materialize. What is the one word for persistent determination? The correct answer is tenacity. What is the one word for recall the past? The correct answer is reminisce. What is the one word for bringing again into activity and prominence? The correct answer is resurgence. What is the one word for having a common boundary or edge? The correct answer is adjacent. What is the one word for required by rule? The correct answer is mandatory. What is the one word for a fine coating of oxide on the surface of a metal? The correct answer is patina. What is the one word for the consequences of an event, especially a catastrophic one? The correct answer is aftermath. What is the one word for an unexpected and inexplicable change in something? The correct answer is vagary. What is the one word for uninterrupted in time and indefinitely long continuing? The correct answer is unremitting. What is the one word for threatening or foreshadowing evil or tragic developments? The correct answer is baleful. What is the one word for the offspring of genetically dissimilar parents or stock? The correct answer is hybrid. What is the one word for model of excellence or perfection of a kind? The correct answer is nonpareil. What is the one word for bind with something round or circular? The correct answer is gird. What is the one word for grossly irreverent toward what is held to be sacred? The correct answer is profane.